has gone at 20% already. Bharat seats.
Well, just focusing on the fundamentals, because that's the most important thing. A company which is Bharat Seats, which is promoted by Suzuki Motor Japan, Maruti Suzuki, and the Reliance. They manufacture complete seating solutions and interiors for automotive and surface transports. They have an R&D center, actually, which is approved by Ministry of Science and Technology. And, of course, technically, they are very high and reputed because they have a collaboration with Suzuki Motor Japan and Toyo Seats Japan for different products. Now they have 3 manufacturing facilities which are in Gurgaon and Manesar, and the client base starts from Maruti Suzuki, Indian Railways, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hyundai Motors, Mahindra and all, Tata Motors, General Motors and John Deere. If you just focus, the biggest takeaway for me when I was reading this company was the management, because as I said, it is Suzuki Motor Japan, Maruti and Reynolds. Suzuki Motor and Maruti Suzuki holds 14.8% stake each. Sharda Motors hold nearly 29% stake, and Reliance family holds nearly 16% in the company. So good management for this company. Earnings, for the top line, they have been doing exceptionally well. At least for FY15, sales was up 24%. Profit was at 8 crores compared to 7 crores, and EBITDA was 33 crores compared to 28.5 crores. So the stock was trading, around 10 to 11 times FY16 earnings. If you have to do a peer comparison, because Harita Seating, I believe, is the nearest, company where you can compare this company. The sales of Bharat Seats are actually higher than Harita Seatings, and they do the same profit. The margins are a bit lower if you have to compare with Harita Seatings. The company has a debt of only 27 crores, which has been coming down. It was 38 crores in March and now stands at 27 crore. Return on net worth is important, and it stands around 18.8%, which is also comforting. It's a regular dividend-paying company. It's a regular tax-paying company in that matter. And, of course, there is no equity dilution done by this company since the listing. I also want to touch on the negatives of this company. First thing is that you have to see the growth momentum continuing for this company. If the company is able to grow at that 15% CAGR in terms of the top line, then it's a good thing. And, of course, the margins are very, very critical. As I said, the margins are not the best in the industry, around 8%. Harita Seatings around 9.5%. If the company goes ahead and have margins which are above 10%, 10 to 12%, I think that could be re-rating for this company. Keep an eye on the margins. That is very, very important for this company. And of course, the top line growth, new customer additions. Indian Railway could be one important thing to watch out for, whether they get some orders from there or not. So keep an eye on this stock.
All right, Varindal, I'll tell you what, that's